Yeah, hello. Welcome to the PMdistilled guide. So the URL to access this PMdistilled guide is PMdistilledguide.com. This is a revolutionary approach to mastering project management. So here what we have done is, if you click on About PMdistilled Guide, that will explain the philosophy behind this. What we have done is, we have structured the guide into 7 steps towards your PMP certification. The first one is the methods and tools. So the whole PMBOK consists of a huge set of tools and techniques. So we have explained the tools and techniques first. Then project management comprises of set of workflows. So we should understand the logical sequence of those workflows. So the workflows are provided. Then the project management is based on a set of principles. So here we explain the principles. Then the project managers is performed by people like the project manager, the sponsor, and the consultants. So the roles and responsibilities of the key stakeholders also are defined. And finally, we can connect all these things easily to the structure of the project management body of knowledge, whether it is version 6 or version 7, or it need not be the project management body of knowledge, it could be Prince 2. So once you understand the nuts and bolts of project management, which is common across the frameworks, then it is easy to connect to the body of knowledge or any framework, and that completes your understanding of of project management. Then if you are going for any particular exam practice is very important, and then you go and write the final exam with a lot of peace of mind and confidence. So this PMdistilled guide is organized in this fashion, and we call it as a revolutionary approach to project management, because any topic, if you can break it down into the basic elements and then understand those elements, then it becomes much easier. The PMBOK is very thick. Is a very bulky document, because these methods and workflows and the principles are getting replicated again and again across knowledge areas. So that makes it very bulky. So here what we've done is we have taken it out, and in one go you understand these things. So that makes it simple and crisper. And then only you try to connect it to PMBOK. So that makes your learning very easy. Then you do practice test, and then you go for the final PMP exam. So this is exactly what I followed for my PMP exam maybe 15 years back, and this is exactly what I recommended to all the course participants. Maybe it's around 15,000 plus participants, and this really helped them to master project management much quickly. Now, coming back to this particular online guide, which is absolutely free for use, here the About PMdistilled guide is here, and why PMP, the value of PMP, and why did I go for PMP, and what is the value I got in 15 years, within 15 years after getting my PMP title, that is described here. And this is about myself. And if you want to participate in a group discussion, whatever queries you want, there is a Google group here, and contact details are here. Now on the right hand side here, as discussed here, we follow the same sequence. The methods and tools are here. Then in the alphabetical order, these methods and tools are listed here. And then we have the project management workflows, then the principles and the roles and responsibilities, and PMBOK Connect, how to connect it to the PMBOK. and the PMP exam practice, and the final section is how to write the exam very easily. So this is how this is structured. For example, if you want to know affinity diagrams, if you click, it will show what is exactly affinity diagrams, the purpose of it, the textual explanation of affinity diagrams. So I'll be recording videos for each of these tools and techniques, but then you can straight away start using this guide to simplify your mastering of professional project management.